everyone, welcome back. My name is Brian. In today's video we're going to be looking at some hand drills that I like to use to install hardware. So I have two drills here. The first one is the original. It's a Yankee drill from the early 1900s. These are no longer being made, and Garrett Wade came along and decided to make replicas, and this one is a replica which I used first and liked it, and then I went out and tried to find a few of their originals, and this is the best looking one that I could find. To demonstrate using the drill, I have some hanger hardware. So let's pretend for a moment that these are where the holes we wanted to drill. So we'd simply take our drill bit, put that at that location, and move this up and down. And you can see that we get a really quick hole. The shape of these drill bits sometimes makes them hard to find. Although Garrett Wade is currently selling replacement drill bits, if you have trouble finding them, then sometimes you might need to convert to a twist drill bit, but that means that you would no longer be able to use the Yankee or the Garrett Wade drill bit. You might have to convert to an egg beater style. This is an example of an egg beater style hand drill. The advantage of this drill over the Yankee one is that I can use common twist drill bits with this that I might have in my set, or other types of drill bits. You simply spin this around, and there's a rotating gear right here that takes this larger motion and turns it into rotational motion down here. This is a small size hand drill, and I wanted to contrast it with the larger size hand drill, but still not the size of a brace. When it comes to using a hand drill of this size, or even a brace, I would typically prefer to use my cordless power drill. To show you the use of this smaller hand drill, we'll drill a hole. To give you some idea why I might use the smaller hand drill instead of this larger egg beater drill, you can see you can make a comparison between the two different sizes of the chuck. The chuck on this drill is much smaller and holds small drill bits better, whereas the chuck on this hand drill is about the size of one of an electric drill, and therefore it's a little bit clumsy for very small drill bits that you would use for pilot holes. You might also wonder why you might use the small hand drill versus the Yankee hand drill. Personal preference is certainly one of the answers to that, but another answer is that this is a two-handed operation where you're holding this with one hand and also turning the lever with the other. Whereas for the Yankee hand drill, you're able to do this with a single hand and your other hand is free to do something else. When asked the question of which drill do I prefer, the answer is that I do not find that I use my large egg beater drill very often. Instead, I'm either using this small egg beater drill or my Yankee drill, my push drill. And when I need to hold the hardware in place, as I'm doing here, I typically would use the Yankee because I can use that with a single hand. And I can simply drill a pilot hole and then grab my screwdriver and screw and install it. Thank you for watching today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And better yet, I hope you get a chance to use some of these hand drills and have fun with them.